Hey guys, today's video topic is how to get a guy back after he pulls away. I have another video why guys pull away when everything is great. The links to this and other related to videos are down below. So you're spending time together, he's talking about the future, about plans, and then he pulls away. He showed you interest from the start and now he doesn't show it at all. Or he doesn't want to text as much, he doesn't put the effort as he used to. What's going on? He may be taking you for granted. Maybe he's not on the same page with you. He likes it to be casual, he doesn't want to commit. Maybe he's playing with you. Maybe he's seeing his ex or he's talking to other girls. Maybe he's trying to get some space because of something you said or something you did. Maybe he's busy, maybe you are being too pushy. There are so many reasons why a guy is pulling away. What's not the best option to do in this kind of situation is to ask him questions like where are we going, talking about the feelings, because one of the reasons a guy pulls away is because of the pressure. When the dynamic was going too fast, too intense, maybe the girl was too available for the communication or just physically. Maybe you were always there for him, maybe there was too much texting, maybe you were catching feelings after being intimate and it scared him. And it is pretty normal for a girl to start feeling something because of how women's hormones work. So he pulls away from all that. And when he comes back around pretty often, it seems logical to girls to ask him what he feels towards you. Like he owes you an explanation now and you ask him about his plans. Or maybe the guy doesn't come around, but you text him asking those questions. And that's okay if you are ready to hear the answer and you're ready to leave him. But if you are saying you want him to commit and he says like he doesn't know where this can go, he tells you that he had a bad experience in the past or something like that, he says now he's afraid to be hurt again and so on, and still after his words you stay with him, even though he let you know pretty clear that he can't give you what you need, but you stay with him because of the hope. You hope that you'll show him you are the best girlfriend he can ever have. You stay because you expect him to change his mind. But ask yourself, why should he want to commit now? He sees you are there for him no matter what. He gives you hope and that's enough for you. He knows you like him. He knows you are not going anywhere. So why would he commit? Why the guy would need to change something? If he gets what he wants, you are not in a relationship, he's not committed to you, and yet he can spend time with you and see you whenever he wants, and he don't have to put much effort in it. Then what should you do? I would say if you really can't wait and play these games, if you're already done with it, you can ask him. But most likely you know how they say if you need to ask a guy what he feels, then he doesn't feel anything. Well, obviously he likes you, he likes something about you, but he doesn't take you seriously. And if you will be there for him even though he doesn't meet your needs, he won't respect you. We never respect someone who's betraying themselves. And it is a betrayal because you do not respect your needs and your wishes. Is it attractive for a man? No. Is it convenient and entertaining? Yes. So the best thing you can do for yourself is to give yourself what you need and not giving yourself the illusion of having it. Because when you choose that guy who says he's not sure, or let's not put any labels, then you choose life in a fantasy world. where you pretend you are boyfriend and girlfriend and everything is great and this love story will have a happy end, but it won't, because it's already wrong from the start. You'll end up feeling disappointed in man and feeling like he used you. Also, I want to say that I don't think you need to bring up the conversation about the plans and feelings, but instead look at his actions, make him do more for you. Try not to rush the relationship, let it evolve. Just focus on the conversations and building the connection. Find out if you really have much in common. If he's not into you, then you shouldn't think about him, because then it means you don't love yourself. People who choose someone who's unavailable, who's ignoring them, they do not love themselves. They are used to people not treating them well. They are often trying to earn someone's love instead of finding the person who sees you as a miracle and who is happy to be with you. Should you wait for him when he pulls away? You can reach out, you can text him once or twice, and if he's still making silly excuses, then you shouldn't wait. You should be looking for another man. You shouldn't wait around for this guy. Especially if he's treating you that way, you do not deserve it. Remind this to yourself each time you want to text him. You can also write down on a paper, describe your dream relationship and how you see it, how you want your man to treat you, and expect only that kind of behavior from now on. Do not contact no more this pulled away guy, delete his number, concentrate all your energy on your own growth, reflect on what you've learned from this interaction and move on. Okay guys, this is the end of the video. Hope it was helpful. Let me know your thoughts down below. Like and subscribe. Okay, bye.